From that point, we're going to take a step away from each other. Man takes the step backward with the right leg, lady with the left one. Notice that the hands are between the two of us. We're going to use them to gently push away from each other, but make sure to also use your legs actively. Bend the knee slightly and push off the leg to take the step backward. Let's continue with the man's perspective. Raise the left hand, at the same time taking a step forward with the left leg, going slightly to the left to pass the lady and walk around her. So take a step, raise the left hand and lead it above the lady's head. Continue walking around the lady with natural everyday steps, rotating up to the point when you're facing the audience again. Let's go over this one more time to focus on the steps. Right leg backward, left, right, left, right, left, end up standing on the left leg facing the audience. From that point, lead the lady's clockwise rotation using your left hand. At the same time, take a side step to the right, going behind the lady. Right leg, left hand goes up, connect your feet and use your hand to place the lady's hand behind your neck. Then spread your arms. Lady is going to place her hand on your chest and you're going to embrace the lady, placing the right hand on her back and the left one on top of her right hand. We're making a reference to the song with this gesture because the lyrics are about the heart at that point. Let's go over this part again. We're going to focus on the lady's perspective. Start with the step backward with the left leg. Connect your feet for a while, then take a step forward with the right leg, aiming slightly to the left and rotating counterclockwise. The goal is to end up on the man's right side. Step, raise the right hand and rotate, ending up in what we call a basket position. Then uncross your hands, placing the left hand in the man's left palm. Again, like this. Then start walking backward with a series of very small steps. Man moves around you so you're closer to the axis of the rotation. Almost stay in one place, shifting your body weight from one leg to another. Make sure to end up standing on the left leg because we're about to rotate clockwise. Start with the right leg, then connect your feet, finishing the rotation and place your left hand behind the man's neck. Right hand goes on his chest. Let's now count this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, this part is rather slow, so you can take your time, follow the lady's hand with your gaze. Thanks to this, the focus of your audience is going to follow your focus. Take your time creating this position, and once you place your hand on the lady's hand, you can look into her eyes, preparing for the next part.